This is an Amada H-900 HD saw. It has a capacity of 24 inches high by 36 inches wide. We have a manual for it. Okay, so we'll turn on the hydraulic pump. That's this button. So to raise it, we push down on the red palm button. Releasing the palm button, it stops and stays there. If you want to bring the saw back down without the motor running, there's a head down switch right here, and that'll start it coming down. Now it looks slow right now. This control up here adjusts the speed at what it comes down. But if you want to drop it fast, this is the fast down switch. And then it comes down a lot faster. But otherwise, this is the speed at what it would cut. And it can be adjusted again by this lever, or this knob. And to stop it coming down, we just hit the palm button again, and it stops it. Okay, to start the head is this button. And when you get it started, when you start the head, it automatically starts coming down. If you want to stop it, the red palm button again shuts it off and stops it. To move the vise in and out is this switch. So out, and then you push it down. You see the vise moving out. To come back in, you switch it over to this way, hit the button again, and it'll continue to go in unless you stop it by switching the button back to out. The vise will go in until about 8 inches from the backstop, and then it quits. That's as long as the stroke is. So if you need to cut something narrower than that, we had put a block in there, a spacer block, to pinch it. The outbound control here is run by, let's see, this button. It says travel, in and out. So there's in, there's out. We cannot get the secondary vise to work in the in direction. It'll move out but not in. It has been working, and I don't know if it's a solenoid or something, but it does not work currently. Okay, there's a gauge on it for to rotate the head. Let me get a rag. rotate the head are these buttons. You have to hold in on this one and press on this one, and then it rotates. And if you want to go in the opposite direction, you run this way and press on both of them again. We do have water and oil mix running on here, and it will start with the saw, although we've got to get a new bulb to prime it. The bulb was cracked, and so that bulb hasn't come in yet, but it will be working. Other than that, it's just a big nice old saw. We put a an orange spacer underneath to get it up to the datum line on our conveyors. It can be taken off or adjusted however it needs to be to get it to the datum line on anybody else's. There's the controls again. So to turn the pump off is that one. Again, on is this, off. And then to run the travel vise, the outbound vise, to run the main vise, back and forth. This we're not sure what that is. We've never used it. A head down by itself, light, and then stop and start on the saw, on the blade. So that's about it.